This is a big ass tree that is older than my house. My house was like 100 years old. But we had the rain apocalypse here in Kansas. I was out of town, and this guy fell. I mean, it is a limb, but this guy could be his own tree. Now, my understanding, this is an old ash tree. So, what we're planning on doing is making, lemonade out of lemons or something. So I think we're going to try and take this to a local sawmill and have them make up some lumber for us. So before the family with the big guns comes in and everything, we bring the tractor to take care of the stuff. I'm going to try and, take off some of those limbs, which means the Chinese... Alright, so this saw has been sitting for, I don't remember the last time I used it. How about that? So it was probably sometime during winter, because I have not sported this thing during the summer. So we can say a couple months, 3, 5, 9 months. Oh, I have a brand new thing of bar oil. I keep forgetting what I have. Oop. I got some bar oil here. Gonna fill that up. Yep. Make a giant mess, because that's what you do. This is all season country tough, or country stuff. I don't know, but it came from Orscheln's. And got our mixed gasoline. It is over, 100 degrees today. It is hot, hot, hot. And I don't think this thing's gonna... My optimism for this firing up... Oops, spilled everywhere, because that's how you do it. Is very low. Safety first, right? So, we'll see if we can get it started. Is my chain brake gonna work? There we go. A little smoky. I like it. I'm pretty sure I'll have to look up when I bought it, but it's over a year old, and it's been sitting in the garage or in the barn for several months. I really haven't been cutting anything. Stored with fuel in it, new fuel, new oil. You saw that it fired up on what, the third pull? So if you do need just chainsaw for around the house, maybe even some big stuff. I'm not going to try to cut any of this larger stuff, but some of these limbs that I was taking off were pretty big. So I think average Joe, for the cost of a gasoline saw, I mean, I still am just impressed with it. This thing impresses me every single time I use it, and I guess it's probably because I have extremely low expectations for it, but it's definitely paid for itself more times over. And I haven't even had it like set up. I've tried to do the carb tuning and adjustments just by ear. So I imagine if you actually had somebody who knew what they were doing, get that taken care of, this thing would be an absolute beast. Anyways, that's just a check back in. I was happy with it when I first bought it. I'm still amazingly impressed with it. We'll see you guys later.